don't always see the night.
Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about what's coming out for week 8 if I'm not mistaken. I do think that this drop list is kind of dookie. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like, most of the pieces coming out are ass, but there's some shit in there that's kind of fire. You got the Shrek kind of inspired logo type vibe. Then there's this other shirt that I want to show y'all. Yo, if you do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. We only about to go up from here, bro. Like, make sure you stay motivated too. Like, don't just sit down all day and watch these videos, you feel me? Like, finish this video, then get your ass up and grind, bro. Like, get to it. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Alright, so right here we got the drop list for Supreme week 8. It's on the 14th of October, you feel me? And we do got some pieces all the way at the top right here that I actually do like. Let's go ahead and get into them one by one. All the way at the top, you do have the Shrek skateboard. This one's probably my favorite piece simply because it's just art, low-key. This definitely looks fire in that blue color with the clouds. It looks so clean. That black one would be my second choice. Honestly, I wouldn't mind either color for this. In a perfect world, I would get the blue one. If not, the black. Both are fire. I feel like this does have potential in the future to go up in resale. Honestly, I just feel like this is something that I'd keep in my collection. I don't know what I'm doing with all these skateboards, but hey, it is what it is. I don't even know if I'm gonna end up going for it because there's other pieces that I do want to get this week. This is a clean piece, I'm not gonna lie. It definitely deserves that number one. That blue one is just fire. Second up, we got the big logo beanie. This one basically has that big ass branding under the cuff of it. I don't know, bro. It's kind of loud, and that's honestly why I wouldn't freak with it. It does look clean in that tealish, baby bluish, ice blue looking ass color. For resale wise, probably that black or red are the best. I do also like that baby yellow color. That one's not that bad. The three on the front with like that heather-ish effect are kind of cheeks. I'm not gonna lie. Those are kind of dookie. Honestly, I'd rather go for this Shrek beanie before I go for that other one. I do love the inspired font. That's my favorite part about this. It's not like forced. It just looks clean, bro. Like, that brown color is fire. The black is clean. The red is my third option. You also do have that white, which if it was cream, that would be nasty, or even like a mustardy color, that would be nasty. This white one is gonna get nasty. Like, who the fuck is wearing a white beanie? Let me know in the chat below. But that blue honestly had so much more potential. If it was the same tone of blue that was used on the skate deck, it would have been 10 times better. That's not the case, you feel me? So hey, it is what it is. I feel like I'm asleep on the blue. I'm personally gonna go for brown first, black second. If not, I'll take that cardinal red. We got the small box hoodies. These are actually not that bad. I love the fact that it does come in that cream color. I'm trying to tell y'all, that's the most clean one on here, that or the black. And honestly, if the black had the little red BOGO, I would like it more than just the black on black to have that little bit of pop. Hey, I don't know, but for this, my favorite colorway is definitely that cream with the red BOGO. Second up will be the black one. Third, it's between that navy or that heather gray. All those colors are fire in my opinion, and some of the other ones aren't bad. Like that highlighter orange isn't bad. I honestly do kind of like it. That pink isn't bad. But yeah, let's get up out of here real quick. Right here we got this corduroy camp cap. I don't know how I feel about this one, you feel me? It's a little bit too OD. We got it in this navy color, the black color, this like harvest orange, then this green, which personally, I just go for the black, the navy, maybe the rustish orange color, but the white and the magenta color, they gotta get up out of here, bro. Next, we got this Skyline short sleeve top. This one comes in 4 different colorways, and honestly, I feel like this one's actually kind of hard. This one's clean in that white color with the multicolored jewels. Honestly, if it was real jewels, that would be so hard, but on these other 3 colors, it doesn't have color on the actual design of the piece, which I don't know why they would low-key do that, but this is clean in that black or that slate color. That pink isn't bad as well, but honestly, I'm probably gonna sleep on that piece. I gotta see what it looks like on body, you feel me? I gotta see what's up with that one. But I do love when they take the Skyline from New York and kind of switch it up for a design on Supreme. Is definitely fire. We got this Intarsia camo short sleeve in 3 different colorways. That regular like green woodland camo is honestly my favorite for this piece. If not, that black with the white is actually actually clean as well. It gives me like 2015 camo cargo vibes. You know what I'm saying? I know you know what I'm saying. But yeah, this piece is honestly not worth it. I probably go ahead and pick up that New York Skyline top before this one. Next up, we got the Monogram Bucket Hat. This one does come in 4 different colorways. Same shit as last week when they dropped the denim shit, if I'm not mistaken. This does look a little bit better on the bucket hat, I must say. I do like the way that the cream looks on this. That black one or even the blue one is fire. Let me know in the chat if y'all feeling these. These aren't that bad, you feel me? So we got this Corduroy Zip Up Jacket. This one's actually fire. I normally don't fuck with the corduroy that much, but this is actually clean in that blue color. So fire. I'd probably just go ahead and get the blue if not the black. That limeish yellowish color is a little too much for me. We got these warm-up pants which low-key give me Prada vibes. Damn, why aren't the black ones with the little red stripe? That honestly would have been hard at the bottom. Only did it on the white ones. It is what it is. This isn't that bad though. Basically just has the little branding on that bottom part, which is actually clean. But we do got the small box cargo pants. That's actually hard, bro. I love the way that they implemented the branding on the little cargo flap. Definitely clean. I just wish that they weren't as baggy as they're gonna be, but like these aren't that bad. Like out of all the sweatpants they do with the little small box, I kind of am feeling these for like an everyday vibe, you feel me? Not that bad. In that blue, cream, black, or that gray, solid. Like everyday type shit though. We got these jeans right here. These in that acid wash pattern type shit aren't that bad. I'm not gonna lie, those ain't that bad. Am I gonna spend supreme jean price for these bitches? You must be smoking it, bro. Like hell no. Hell to the no. But we do got these thermal work shirts coming out in 4 colorways. Honestly, the black on black ain't that bad. Plaid with that cream on the inside honestly isn't even that bad. I do like the whole vibe with it. You could wear it with like some workwear inspired shit. I feel like that colorway more than anything is fire, or that black on black. Both of those go hard. Next we got this warp puffy jacket. This one comes in 3 colors. It's basically just a fucking puffy jacket. Like this one does look clean and like that creamish minty-ish greenish color. That color almost looks like the Yeezy slide. I think it's the resin type shit. That's what that looks like. I feel like this is actually a clean puffy jacket. Like I love the pattern on it, and the little bubbles do look a little bit different than your ordinary bubble coat. These basically just have the little tonal branding on the back, which I am a fan of. It's just clean, keep it real subtle, and I love what they did with these honestly, especially this color right here. That one's fire. Next we got these Supreme Nike cross trainers. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bruh. They trying to bring us back to the 90s with these bitches, and I'm just not doing it. That Gucci colorway would have definitely went hard in like 2007. I'm not gonna lie, when like BBC was the shit, Kid Robot was the shit, these would have went hard. But right now in this dynamic, I don't know who is pulling these bitches off. Hey, I commend you, my brother, if you gonna wear these. They're at the bottom of the list for a reason. Like trust me, bruh. Honestly, I'm sleeping on these 100% until they drop like some fire shit with Nike. I'm not backing it. I'm not gonna lie. The only decent shit that they dropped in recent years with Nike are those dunks that came out last year, and even those I feel like it's low-key kind of lazy because they did it in the past. They could have went somewhere completely left with it, and they literally replicated the same shit as a low. Hey, that's just my opinion. These right here aren't even touching them bitches on the toes. Like these are so ass. Like let me know what y'all saying about these bitches in the comments, por favor, bro. Like these shits are cheeks, either colorway. Like they missed on both, to be honest. All right, so right here we're at the bottom of the list. I'm not even gonna really focus too much time on these pieces because none of them are actually up to par. The only one that's okay out of all of them is this reverse logo 6 panel, simply in that black color. It looks like you can almost wear this on an everyday basis, just like a little black simple hat. I love the fact that the font is black. It's just a little white lining on it, and it also has like that vintage feeling on it, which I do like a lot as well. The other color that I would even consider is that burgundy. I don't really have any burgundy hats, you feel me? So hey, I would freak with the burgundy. But we got this Chanel logo sweater. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Too many colors in one place, bruh. Then we got this rhinestone hooded sweatshirt. Once again, too much shit going on. Like please keep it one place. There's rhinestones literally everywhere on this hood. Not even on the hood, on the whole fucking hoodie. And then there's 5 colors. You got this big ass logo on the front plus the rhinestones. Do either or, you feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and skip on this. Every color, like them shits is just ass. And hey, guess what? They got the rhinestone beanie too. These shits is so ass. Please leave these shits right where they are on this Thursday, because you don't need these hoes. The only things that are worth it this week, in my opinion, is the Shrek skate deck, the Shrek beanie, fire, you feel me? The big logo beanie, if that's something you're into, freak it. A little bit too big of a logo for me personally, but if that's something you into, fire. That small box hooded sweatshirt in that cream, the black, pink is hard, the navy's clean. This is just like a everyday essential hoodie if it's something that you're looking for. You do got this corduroy camp cap, which normally I'd stick away from. Black or the navy are everyday pieces. That Skyline short sleeve is a banger. I do wish that they would have put the multicolored jewels, I guess you would call it, on all the colorways. I don't know why they would make some of them tonal and then one of them just have all the color. Honestly, really hope that black has all the colors on the rhinestones, because that would make me want to buy that piece, to be honest. And then everything after that is pretty much up to you, you feel me? These Nikes, just bro, it's just maybe not for me, you feel me? Like, if it's something you like, then it's something you like. I showed y'all my opinion on everything. Let me know what your opinion is in the comments. What will you be going for this week in Supreme, you feel me? Are you even going for anything? But with all that being said, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new or wouldn't enjoy more of this type of content. Yo, if you're watching this right now, thank you, bro. Thank you. That means you made it to the end of the video, which low-key means that you're a fucking OG, bro. If you're watching this, go ahead and stay tuned on nori.archives, because I am gonna pick the winner for the green TNF shoulder bag on there, you feel me? You're supposed to be following that shit anyways, but hey, stay subscribed. Don't just unsubscribe, because that'll be like some bullshit. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night.
They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.